following message is transmitted at the request of the Shelby Police Department. Around 2:30 p.m., there's a figure roaming around Shelby downtown. If you see this figure, call 911 immediately. No information at this time. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Shelby Police Department. The figure is identified as 55.125. It has 55.125 blocks. All of this is corrupted. His face is not yet even corrupted, just one eye left. This figure is touching many stuff and corrupting it. All people in Shelby should evacuate immediately. Stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation. This is a speech from the President, Joe Biden. The speech will begin shortly. My fellow Americans, Shelby is under attack. Montana is under attack within 5 minutes. May God bless America and please save Shelby and Montana. God bless America. That was a speech from the President. Regular programming will begin now. Civil danger warning in effect. This message is broadcast at the request of the United States government. 55.125 has took over Montana and now in the surrounding areas. That includes the provinces above Montana. If you're within one of these areas surrounding Montana, please evacuate immediately or get to shelter. If you're not doing the rules, you'll face certain death. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. This is a law enforcement warning. This message is being broadcast at the request of the U.S. military. The military are trying to apprehend 55.125 located in Boise, Idaho. If you live in Boise, Idaho, please remain in shelter. And if you're not living in Boise, Idaho, then you're safe. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. military. 55.125 has been captured and sent back to corrupt dimension. Thank you for your patronage, and you're safe now. We'll now resume regular programming.